Leave of Court Phangdana Waqf Board Constitution Finalise Toudanaba High Court of Manipur na Respondent KHANGHANKHRE Wafam asi Nurungambi Sahana file Tarakiba WPC number 533 of 2026 ka loinana mari leinaba interim application ke hearing chathabada Justice Ahantem Bimol Singh na haikibani petition aduna July tarik ani da thokiba notification na Waqf Board Constitution gi matang amasung nupi singi representation yawhanbagi matang khanghankidaba adubu challenge tawki petition asi pending the lady aiba order oina thokthri hairiba petition asi high court ke website te hek thagalakpaga khangangani hairi